Music is an important part of our life. It has a very interesting history with many notable characters and even with legendary musical instruments. This is why it is very interesting to visit many different music museums. Every person who loves to listen to music is simply obliged to visit the world's best museums dedicated to music. It remains only to find out the most interesting museums and find where they are located. The best music museums in the world. This article will talk about world music museums, visiting which will leave behind a lot of emotions and memories. Grammy Museum, Los Angeles, USA. The Grammy Museum, located in Los Angeles, USA, opened to the public in November 2008. The museum features a variety of Grammy-related exhibits, from musical instruments to records and stage costumes. There are more than 160 styles of music, where you can see photos of musical artists from the last 50 years and their autographs. There are many props of international stars that you can also try on. If you are a piano player, you should definitely visit a piano-dedicated room. There are a few legendary grand pianos that cost more than $1 million. There are also interesting and unique American-made piano accessories. Among notable exhibitions was Elvis at 21, photographs by Alfred Wertheimer. Wertheimer is a photographer from NYC that was known for his photographs of Elvis taken in 1956. The exhibition was held on March 2010. Vienna Music Museum, Austria, Vienna. Vienna, the capital of Austria, has always been the world-famous musical capital, and classical musicians are inextricably linked with the city, filling it with sensuality and charm. The Vienna Music Museum, located in the heart of the city, is the historic palace of Archduke Charles. The museum presents stories about the lives of the best classical musicians, as well as contemporary and technological music. The museum also has a special area for the Vienna Philharmonic, where you can learn about the history of leading international orchestras. Advertising information. You will find the best milk cooling equipment on the Muller Ukraine website. Silo tanks, milk coolers, chillers and milk pasteurizers from the world's leading manufacturer. Museum of Musical Instruments in Brussels, Belgium, Brussels. The Brussels Museum of Musical Instruments is an internationally renowned museum that attracts attention with its collection of musical instruments from all over the world. Since 1877, the museum began to collect all kinds of musical instruments, starting with over 100 Indian instruments. And after many years of collection, there are now more than 8,000 precious instruments in the collection. The Museum of Musical Instruments is a work of art in itself, and the most amazing thing is that the whole process of visiting is accompanied by music, with headphones. City of Music, France, Paris. Cité de la Musique, translated as City of Music, is located in the La Villette area and is home to concert halls, museums, exhibition halls, audiovisual archives and many music-related projects. The musical city consists of 5 floors, including Birth of Opera, Music of the Enlightenment, and European Romantic Period. Museum of British Music, UK, London. The British Museum of Music has traced the history of the national music industry since 1944. Here are interactive exhibits where you can play, sing and dance in styles that have replaced each other for 70 years. There are also valuable souvenirs of the most famous music stars in the UK, John Lennon's iconic glasses, Amy Winehouse's dress and much more. Thus, visiting the best music museums in the world is an excellent option for a leisure tour for lovers of various musical genres, so you should pay attention to these unique museums when planning your personal travel itinerary. Thanks for watching, take care and wait the next video.